Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows could not start the Windows Firewall on local computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's the thing. There is a policy and we need to change that policy. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Now on the list on the left hand side, on the left pane, go to HKey local machine, software, policies, Microsoft and Windows Defender. In the right pane, if you notice a policy named a dword 32-bit entry named disable anti-spyware, right click and delete it. Make sure that it's gone. Now double click on default and the value data will be blank. Change it to 0 and click on OK. Restart your computer and the problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.